guys with us. So this is our first episode of Come Shopping With Us, because I made one in Cyprus as well last week, so I'll post that after this one because I haven't edited it yet. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. So this is all the stuff we have picked out to try on. Smile! So these are the first items we've tried on, and this bodysuit, look how high-legged it is, like what? And then these jeans are way too tight because I'm literally like doing out of these, but anyway, they are what they are, and they are definitely a bit flattening, but they're a very cool colour. I'm definitely feeling yellow this summer. Although there can be 4 of us. So cool. Right, tell them about yours, Jodie.
Mine's just like a glittery, very glittery. I just need to sort the strings out and then
it's good to go. Yeah. Festival ready. It's a shame because these are in the sale, so they're really cheap, but Emma definitely needs a bigger size. Rip, waist 26 no longer. Yeah. So, rip to these jeans. They are a tiny waist 24, but they were the only ones in the sale, and I literally fell in love with them, but I just can't get them on. Look at them. So if anyone has these jeans in a waist 27 or 28 from Topshop, let me know and I will buy them. I'm just in love with them. And then Jodie's just tried on a cute little £6 or 2 for £10 top. What do you think about it?
I quite like it. I don't know if my shoulders are too big for it though, but we'll see.
Your shoulders aren't too big.
I quite like it.
Oh, is it a low back? Oh yeah, no, I love that. That's really cute. Yeah, these are all the things that just didn't make it. They just weren't the ones. But yeah, look at these jeans, and they are covered in diamonds along with all of the flowers. So if Topshop, if you're watching this, contact me. And that they were reduced as well. Just want them. Hi. So we're now looking at the sale items.
Yeah, boy.
These amazing. What even are they?
Needs a bit of lobster in there.
Lobster Kierings are now £1. Look how cute they are. More pom-poms. I'm so gonna trip over this skirt. Shh. Sup. The danger of shoe shopping.
Oh my fuck, it's so nice.
Oh.
Can you tell the difference in shoe preference between me and Emma?
See, Emma likes heels, Julie likes practical. Look how nice they are with the little like silver balls. Oh, they're 80 quid though, bro. Ouch. Anyway, so that's all we've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, we'll do this all around the UK. Like, we'll just pick little like cities and places to do it. So that'd be quite fun actually. Like trying out shopping everywhere, because I mean, we do really like shopping.
We do.
Yeah, I was wondering what you were doing. Yeah, throwing yourself back. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more soon. So see you guys next time. Bye. So Jodie, being the absolute pleb she is, has decided to leave her phone either in the toilet or June. So I'm currently sat in the car hoping the ticket is still valid while she's legging it back to the shops to look for her phone. But yeah, she's a bit stressed out, but fingers crossed we find it. So good news, she's found it. I just got a call on her phone, but she's literally ran there, so she is extremely hot right now, so I'm blasting the AC so she can be nice and cold when she gets in the car, but let's wait for her. Here she comes! Woo! She found it! She looks so done. Where was it? June. They had handed it in, luckily. Time to go home. Thanks for watching part 2. At least we have a phone now. Right, yeah. See you guys next time.